Staff is everyone who works here, filtered by role. 14 Atakunyahan, all subject teachers. The role is not cosmetic, it decides what each person can reach in the portal, so a registrar and a subject teacher see genuinely different systems when they sign in. Add staff creates the record, their name, contact details, and the role that governs everything else. Since the recent upgrade, a member of center staff can be a form tutor or a subject teacher on a class directly. They no longer need a separate tutor profile created for them first, which used to be a real obstacle to onboarding a new teacher quickly. Open a member of staff and you get 3 tabs. Credentials are their qualifications and teaching licenses, each with an expiry, and the dashboard warns you before one lapses, which matters for accreditation. PD activities totals their professional development hours. Evaluations hold their performance reviews. Departments group subjects under a head of department, and that is not just an org chart. The head of department gets row-level scope over their department's data, so a head of science sees science teachers and science results without seeing the rest of the school. Professional development is the catalogue of training you run, with attendees and hours logged against each. Accreditation bodies ask for evidence that staff are being developed, and this is where that evidence lives rather than in somebody's spreadsheet. Observations are formal classroom visits, scored against an instrument, the ELEOT framework here. You schedule one against a teacher, then rate each learning environment from 1 to 4 with evidence notes, write a narrative summary, and finalize it. 4 sit in draft on this center. Finalized observations feed the Cognia evidence packet directly. That is your staff. Get the roles right and the permissions, the timetable and the observations all follow.